Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing a clean state. Restart your PC, then relaunch Steam. Once done, verify the game files in Steam. This replaces corrupt or missing data. Make sure drivers and windows are up to date. Outdated GPU drivers cause most crashes. While you do that, close overlays and background apps that steal resources. If your disk is almost full, free up space so the game can write caches. These steps eliminate common file and driver problems quickly and prepare you for deeper fixes. Once basic fixes are applied, change how the game starts and accesses resources. You should run it as administrator and disable full-screen optimizations to avoid permission and scaling conflicts. Next, add or swap Steam launch options. Try windowed knob order or switch between DX11 and DX12 to see which API is stable. Clear shader and game caches, then reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables to fix runtime crashes. These configuration changes address engine-level and compatibility failures you can't fix by reinstalling alone. You finish by doing a clean reinstall to a different drive or folder, which rules out folder corruption and permission issues. If crashes persist, create a new Windows user profile to eliminate profile-specific settings or corrupt caches. Make sure to collect and read crash logs, Steam's output log, Windows Event Viewer entries, and any game dump files, so you know exactly where it fails. If nothing works, that log is your key troubleshooting tool. Use it to ask support or search targeted fixes with precise error messages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.